I'm gonna show you my resume and I'm gonna talk about it a little bit. This is my resume. Your resume should be 8 by 10. It is not 8 by 11, but it should be 8 by 10 piece of paper. Now, all resumes are different, but this is how I format mine. Corner, I put my little headshot, then I put my picture on the back. I put my SAG eligibility status right here. If you're non-SAG, you don't have to put it. You can put it or not. I put my name up here, my full name, then I put my email, I put my phone number. I put my Instagram and my TikTok just because I got a big following, so I put that on there. Then I put my agency reps on the top right corner. Let's say you're auditioning for film. You want to start your resume with film/TV. So you're going to see film/TV. Then on the left side of the page, I have the biggest thing I've been in first, most recognizable, which is Insatiable on Netflix, which is put first. And then I put Purge of Thrones on Amazon. It was supposed to be on Netflix. It's on Amazon now. Camila Cabello, Baz, a music video. And then it just goes down to the smallest thing I did. And I say additional upon request just because I have a lot and I don't want to put everything on there because I can't put the rest on. Under that, I put theater and workshop scenes just so that they know I have done theater. On the right side, I put where I did it. I've done tons of musical theater, but on here I put like the best roles I played, I put here. Commercials, what I did, I have to update that. Dance, available upon request because I'm not auditioning to be a dancer. If I was, I'd have my dancing would be way top. My training goes at the bottom. All the way on the left, you'll see acting. My voice training, my dance training, my piano training, language, because I can speak a little bit of conversational Chinese, so I put that on there. My accents that I can do, my athletic skills, my special skills, I put wiggle ears, editing, film production, graphic design, sewing, gymnastics, and play pool, read braille, write braille alphabetically. I haven't done that in a long time, I gotta change that. Gun training, stage managing, motorcycle driving, choreographer. And my education, I put way at the bottom, New York Conservatory for Dramatic Arts certificate program. That's the resume. Now, eventually you're gonna get to a place where you have to cut things off your resume. I'm at that place. Just keep that in a long form resume and then adapt each resume to what I'm auditioning for.